Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So we have question set 8. So let's go to this question. We have 6 question to do. Now in this question series, in this question set, we have to learn about search query. So we have find all customers. Show you that we have to find all customers, find details products, find the detail customer ID, specify customer. So and we don't need to write insert query for that. We can graphically add data. So now we all need to learn about search query in this video. So in this video we have this question. Let's see what is this question. To facilitate the business of Max Mobile, the owner of the mobile phone company uses a computer software which uses the following table to store data in the computer software. Answer the question asked in this table. Alright, we have customer table and product table. And customer table we have 5 columns: customer ID, first name, last name, gender and contact number. And product table we have product ID, brand name, model name and price. So we have some data. We want to hard code them and add them graphically into our database. Now we need to create database name mshop and create customer and product table. That's the first and second question. And we have given some instructions to make tables and add data graphical to database. Find all customers, find details, find all details from product, find the details from the customer whose ID is customer ID is customer 003. So let's do this mshop and customer and product. Okay, I memorized that. And let's memorize this also. Table name is customer. We have 5 columns in customer table: customer ID, first name, last name, gender and contact number. And product table we have also 4 columns here: product ID, brand name, model number and price. We have to give price in double data type, and others are varchar type. And this customer table we have to give these all 5 columns with varchar type. Okay, length. Alright, I memorized them. And now we go to HeidiSQL and let's do this. And now I right click on that. Now you know how to make database and make tables and how to manually add data. So I pass forward these all and I am coming to my search query after that. So let's go to our fast forwarding montage. Okay. Alright, now we have customer ID, first name, last name, gender and contact number columns, and we have made our table successfully. Now we need to add these customer data and product data. So now I am fast forwarding it again. So I add customer and I also made product table and add those data to the table. Alright, now you can see I add the data. So I add product table data and also customer table data. You can see it, customer table data, and I add all of this with graphically method. So now we need to write a query to find the customers, or find all customers. So now let's go to our query space, and we don't need this delete query. This is in previous video. So fourth one, find all customers. So I need to write that query like this. So we have a word to do that. So we need to give this word select, and I want to select all customers. So when I need to select all customers, I want to use this star mark. You can see this star marks mean all. So I want to select all from my customer table. So I am copying this customer word and paste it from there and put the semicolon. So now I need to find all customers. So let's run that query. We run that query. Now I have all customers on the below. I will show you that. Wait. Now you can see I can get all customer details using this query. So we have customer ID, first name, last name, gender, and contact number on there. So now we can get customers all details using this query because I give this star mark. So that means we want all details from customer table. So now second question is find details of all products. You can see it, all products. Now we need to change the table name only. So I give product, and I need to search it. Now I have all details on my product table. So I have product ID, brand name, model name, and quantity. So now you can see how we can select all things using this select query on our product table. So let's go to last question. Find the details of the customer whose customer ID is customer 003. So we need to find the 003 customers details only. We need to get that all details from that customer. Now we need to write like this. So we need all details from that customer, I mean customer 003, but we need one specified customer only. So we don't need every customer in our customer table. We need customer that belongs this ID only. So now I can select all the details from customer table, and where I want to select my specified customer using customer ID column, and I copy that thing and paste it on there and close abbreviation, and my customer ID column is equals to customer 003. So I give that customer 003 ID on there. Get that from this, and now my query is okay. Now end of the query, we want to give the semicolon here. And now let's find out we can get customer 003 customer successfully with this query. So let's see, we can get it. We can get all details of customer 003. That means now what keyword do. So you can see it. Now you can understand what are the queries. Now you can see how we can search some details from our database using search queries. So today part is over. So I think you can pretty much understand about query, select query. So select query is the all brand new thing in this video. So above part we know how to make database and table and how to insert data using graphical method, and also we know how to use how to insert data using insert query. So there is nothing special with this thing. We have search query, and we learn search query, how to use search query in database system. So now today my video is over. So I'm going to wind up my video. I will show you guys in my question set 9. So we have any more 42 question sets. So we have 50 question sets here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.